Hello and welcome to our video series Introduction to Pipedrive. My name is Yannick Sommer, I'm CEO and co-founder here at LimitBreak. Pipedrive is one of the most intuitive CRM that you can find on the market today. The learning curve is comparatively flat, however it can still be hard as a beginner to get an overview. With our video series we exactly try to tackle this issue, so we hope you learn a lot.
In our first video, our journey goes straight into the heart of Pipedrive, the deals section. This is where Pipedrive users usually spend most of their workday, which is why it is all the more important to master the work in this section as quickly as possible. The deals section is divided into 3 views: the pipeline view, the list view, and the forecast view. In our today's video, we take a detailed look at the pipeline view, where we create and manage our pipeline. The pipeline view is perfect for getting an overview of our deals and their respective status. We see the value, the weighted total value, and the amount of deals, either as a general overview or divided into stages. For our individual deals, we see the name of our deal, the name of the organization of our prospective client, the owner of the deal, the value of the deal, and the status of the next due activity. Also, we see here our currently selected pipeline and our currently selected filter. If no filter is selected by default, it will be on everyone. We can either work with the pipeline provided by Pipedrive, create a new one, or manage our existing one. Here we have the option to set up the name of the stage, the probability. We can delete stages, add new stages, or reorganize the current order of our stages. We can set deal probability as well. Both deal probability and stage probability will impact the weighted total value of our deals. But be careful, deal probability always overrides stage probability. Now that we've set up our pipeline, it needs to be filled. In our example, we already have some deals here. However, we can do better. There are different methods for adding deals into our pipeline. In our example, we're using the manual option. The fields that you can see here are customizable in case the preset fields are not completely aligning with our needs. After we created our deal, we schedule the first activity so that we can start working on our deal. In our example, we create a task that is telling us to move the deal into the negotiation stage. With intuitive drag and drop system, we can now move our deal to other stages, delete our deal, lose it, win it, or move it to a different pipeline or into leads. A common question that I've heard over and over during my time at Pipedrive is how are deals organized inside of the respective stages? This is done by color coding, where the colors refer to the status of the next due activity linked to our deal. Deals are sorted by color exactly in the order listed here. Red signals that our next upcoming activity is already overdue. Green signals our next activity is due today. Yellow signals that we currently have no activity planned. We may have done an activity for this deal in the past, but then we forgot to schedule a follow-up. Gray indicates that our next upcoming activity is due in the future, so it doesn't require our immediate attention. So, today we learned about the different views inside of the deal section. We took a detailed look into the pipeline view and saw what kind of things we can see there, how we can read them, how we can create pipelines, how we can set up stage and deal probability, and how it impacts our weight total value. We saw how we can create a deal manually. We created an activity linked to our deal, moved the deal around with the drag and drop system. We learned how we can use a filter and how deals are organized in each stage.